Hey everyone, this is the Madbean Sprout. It's based on the Colorsound One Knob Fuzz. It's a pretty simple circuit, pretty simple build. The layout's quite small. As you can see, this guitar pedal's my first 1590A that I've built. There's only one knob on the front of it, which is for volume. There's no other settings that you can change. I'll just play a few riffs on each of the pickups of my guitar. I've tried to get a few different sort of sounds out of it, but unfortunately it doesn't particularly like when you turn down the volume on your guitar. There's sort of a certain level that the effect will actually turn on, and everything under that sounds more like a microphone clip than anything decent. I don't think it sounds very good, so I'll just be playing on full volume on my guitar and a little bit on each of the pickups. So here we go. So that's it. It's probably a bit of a one-trick pony, I suppose, but I quite like the fuzz sound out of it. Actually, it's quite well balanced, and it's got a bit of a hint of that sort of Velcro ripping in the background, which gives it a nice bit of texture too. I'll do a build report on this particular one as well, because it's my first 1590A, and if you guys are thinking about doing a 1590A, I might be able to give you a few tips, but yeah, that'll come a bit later. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.